Hi, I'm Brenda, and welcome to Digging Deeper with the North Carolina State Extension Master Gardener Volunteers of Chatham County. And today we're going to visit the plant clinic at the Chatham County Extension office. I'm here with Diane, another Extension Master Gardener volunteer in Chatham County, and she's going to answer our questions about the plant clinic. Hi, Diane.
Hi, Brenda. Good to see you.
Can you sum up for me what the plant clinic is?
The Plant Clinic is part of the Chatham County Extension Master Gardener Program. Plant Clinic helps Chatham County Extension expand their delivery of science-based research information or horticultural information to the citizens of Chatham County. And we do this in Plant Clinic by answering homeowners' gardening questions, landscape questions, a variety of different types of questions. In addition, during the free soil testing period, which runs from April 1st through the end of November each year, we are also responsible for processing all the soil samples and forms that are dropped off outside the Chatham County Agricultural Building. And not surprisingly, a good number of them have omissions or errors and would not be accepted by the North Carolina Department of Agriculture Agronomics Testing Lab in Raleigh. So we work with the Chatham County residents to try to resolve those problems, and then we take all the samples over to Raleigh at the end of the month. Matt Jones, our Chatham County Horticulture Extension agent, has trained us, and he's also a valuable resource to us in Plant Clinic as we help clients answer their questions. Plant Clinic is located at the Chatham County Agricultural and Conference Center, which is located at 1192 Highway 64 West Business in Pittsboro.
And is this the only location that you can access the plant clinic?
Yes, in person is the only way you can access us. However, you can call us or leave us emails as well.
When are you open? Is it certain times of the year, certain days?
Yeah. We're open from mid-February to early December, and we're open Monday and Wednesday afternoons, 1 to 4 p.m., and on Friday mornings from 9 a.m. to 12 noon here at the Plant Clinic. The information we provide is free, and not only that, I think people are surprised to learn about all the free resources that they can access through Extension, such as a lot of fact sheets from North Carolina State Extension, and also references like Extension Master Gardener Handbook, which is a free online publication. This handbook is very widely acclaimed, and many other state extension programs have adapted it for their own use. In addition to the information we give you, we can also refer you to the plant toolbox, so you can see what plants grow well here in North Carolina.
What kind of questions or topics can the Plant Clinic help with?
The Plant Clinic answers a lot of questions from home gardeners. We answer questions on vegetable gardening, flowers, including native plants, shrubs, trees, fertilization, lawns, soil testing. We help people diagnose diseases and pests. We help identify plants, whether it's a weed, a desirable plant, an invasive plant. And also we provide sustainable gardening information. And we also help clients when they get their soil tests back to understand those reports and how to implement them to improve the nutrition of the plants that they're trying to grow.
What if I just have houseplants and I don't have a yard?
Yeah.
Will you still help me?
Oh yes, we get quite a few questions on houseplants. That's actually a strong interest of mine. We've helped quite a few people over the last year with houseplants. So the first thing to do is start off by contacting us. Just the question you have, the issue you have with your plants, if you want some information, what we can help you with. People frequently send photos of their plants, and then they may also bring samples over here if we can't really take care of it with the photos.
So if I'm a brand new gardener and I've gotten a new house and I really want to plant something, I've never done it before, is the Plant Clinic a good place to come to get some information or to point me in the right direction?
We can definitely get you started. Most people that come in here are dealing with the landscape they inherited from the builder. And I know it's no secret to most people that the topsoil is removed in a lot of these new neighborhoods, and they're basically trying to grow Bermuda sod on top of clay. And so that they're trying to go through a couple years of establishing their lawn. They may not like the plants that were put in by their builder. Some of them had a say in it, some of them did not. They're trying to either deal with that or replace those. So yes, we'd be a good place to start. And I hope we help everyone who comes in, learn something that will help them improve their landscapes. If you have a question, you can come over during business hours, which are Monday and Wednesday 1 to 4, Friday 9 a.m. to noon. You can also call us. Our number is 919-542-8206. And we have an email, chathamemgv@gmail.com. When we're here during the business hours, we'll answer the questions.
Thank you so much, Diane, for answering our questions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Digging Deeper.